Here you can see that you can verify and publish your contract source code. So let's verify your smart contract and publish it here. Okay, that's the contract address, and that's the compiler file, and to select the version, then the license, then you can go on to verify it. So that's the one way of verifying your smart contract. Here let's see 0.17. Select your license, MIT license, then continue it. So here you can see that you need to enter the complete solid smart contract here, then ABI in code, then other libraries that are using. So it's a bit complicated form,